Welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today, I want to share a syrupy dessert recipe with you that is easy to make, light in taste, and so delicious that you'll want to make it over and over again. First, let's prepare the syrup. Take 3 cups of sugar into a pot. Add 3 cups of water. Squeeze the juice of a slice of lemon and add it in. Place the syrup on the stove. Stir occasionally until the sugar dissolves. Once it starts boiling, let it simmer on low heat for 15 minutes. Then, remove it from the heat and let it cool. For the dough, take 200 grams of softened butter at room temperature into a mixing bowl. Add 1 whole egg and the yolk of another egg. Set aside the egg white for later. Add half a tea glass of powdered sugar. Add half a tea glass of vegetable oil. Add 2 tablespoons of semolina. Add 1 packet of vanilla and mix. At first, add 2 cups of flour. Add 1 packet of baking powder. Gradually add more flour and mix until the dough comes together. Take it off the spatula and continue kneading by adding flour little by little. Knead until the dough reaches the right consistency. I used a total of 4 cups of flour. As you can see in the video, the dough should be soft and non-sticky. Then, add a tea glass of coarsely chopped walnuts and knead again until well combined. You can also use hazelnuts or pistachios if you prefer. To coat the dessert, take a tea glass of roasted shredded phyllo, kadayıf, on a flat plate. As seen in the video, take a piece of dough. Roll it into a cylinder shape on the counter. Press it lightly with your fingers while rolling to shape it. I cut them into about 2 finger thickness, but you can adjust the size as you like. Dip the pieces first into egg white and then into the roasted shredded phyllo before placing them into a greased large rectangular baking dish. After shaping all the pieces, place them in the baking dish with some space between them. Bake in a preheated oven at 175 to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake for about 30 minutes until golden brown. Mine took 35 minutes to bake. Remove from the oven. Let it sit for about 5 minutes to release its initial heat. Then, pour the cooled syrup over the hot dessert. Let it absorb the syrup for about 2 to 3 hours. Once it has fully absorbed the syrup, it's ready to serve. I garnished it with ground pistachios. As you can see in the video, it looks amazing and tastes delicious. Once you try it, I'm sure you'll love it. It's a delightful dessert that melts in your mouth with a baklava-like taste. Enjoy to those who will try it in advance. If you watched my video and liked it, please support me with likes, comments, and shares. Thank you for watching and for your interest.